Hello, heroes and sheroes. Have you or anybody you know failed a drug test? It may feel like your life is over, but here's the solution. Look, I get it. You're a trucker. You work hard, long hours, and sometimes you just want to unwind. Maybe you thought you could handle it, that it wouldn't affect your job. But then that test result came back positive. Suddenly your livelihood, your passion, your way of life screeched to a halt.
The feeling of dread is like a punch in the gut. Shame washes over you. The fear is real. How will you pay your bills? Support your family? What will your trucking buddies think? It's a lonely place facing that positive test.
Trust me, I've been there. I've talked to countless truckers who felt that same despair after a failed drug test. They felt lost, unsure of what their next step should be. But here's the thing. Failing a drug test doesn't mean your trucking career is over. It's a setback, a wake-up call. It's an opportunity to confront whatever led you to this point and emerge stronger, both as a driver and as a person.
Take a deep breath. You're not alone. Thousands of truckers have walked this road before you and found their way back. And I'm here to tell you, you can too. The first thing you need to know is that failing a DOT drug test means you're immediately pulled from safety-sensitive duties. That means no more driving. This is non-negotiable. The Department of Transportation is serious about safety, and any violation, especially drug-related, is taken very seriously.
Your employer will likely place you on leave or terminate your employment. This is standard procedure in most trucking companies. Don't panic though. This doesn't mean you'll never drive a truck again. It just means you've got some work to do to regain that privilege.
This is the time to contact your union representative if you have one. They can help you understand your rights and options. You also need to inform your employer about the situation. Honesty and transparency are crucial. The more forthcoming you are, the better your chances of getting back behind the wheel.
Remember, this period, however daunting, is temporary. It's a chance to reflect, reassess, and prepare for the journey back to the driver's seat. The road ahead might seem long and uncertain, but with the right approach, you can and will navigate it successfully.
Getting back your CDL after a failed drug test requires following a strict protocol outlined by the DOT. It's called the Return to Duty process, and it's designed to help you address the issue and ensure you're fit to operate a commercial vehicle safely.
The first step involves a substance abuse professional SAP evaluation. This isn't about judgment, it's about assessment. The SAP will determine the appropriate level of treatment if needed and design a personalized plan for you. This could include counseling, education, or rehabilitation.
Once you've completed the recommended treatment, you'll undergo a DOT-approved return-to-duty drug and alcohol test. Passing this test is crucial. It demonstrates your commitment to sobriety and your readiness to return to work.
But it doesn't stop there. The DOT requires follow-up testing to ensure continued compliance. The frequency and duration of these tests vary based on the SAP's recommendation and your individual circumstances. This might seem intense, but it's all about proving you're serious about staying clean and being a safe and responsible driver.
Section 4. Life under the microscope, long-term monitoring.
Successfully completing the return-to-duty process is a significant accomplishment, but it's not the finish line. You'll enter a long-term monitoring program, which can last for several years. This involves unannounced drug and alcohol tests, often at random times, to ensure you remain compliant.
Yes, it can feel like you're constantly under scrutiny, but remember, this is about safety, yours and everyone else's on the road. Consider it a small price to pay for the privilege of doing what you love driving.
This period is about more than just passing tests. It's about maintaining a lifestyle that supports your sobriety. Surround yourself with a strong support system, whether it's family, friends, or fellow drivers who've walked a similar path. Attend support group meetings, prioritize self-care, and stay connected with your SAP.
Remember, every clean test, every day you stay sober, is a victory. It's a testament to your strength, your commitment, and your dedication to being a safe and responsible trucker. Section 5. Getting back behind the wheel. Job hunting after a failed test.
Finding a new trucking job after a failed drug test can be challenging, but it's not impossible. Be upfront and honest about your past. Many employers respect drivers who take responsibility for their actions and demonstrate a commitment to recovery.
Highlight your experience, your clean driving record, apart from the failed test, and your successful completion of the return-to-duty process. Be prepared to answer questions about the failed test honestly and openly. Emphasize the steps you've taken to address the issue and your dedication to staying sober.
Consider smaller companies or owner-operator opportunities. They might be more willing to give you a second chance. Also, explore trucking companies that specialize in second chance employment. These companies understand the challenges you face and are committed to helping drivers rebuild their careers.
Remember, your past doesn't define you. It's a chapter in your story, not the entire book. Focus on the positive changes you've made, the lessons you've learned, and your unwavering commitment to safety. Your honesty, your perseverance, and your determination will resonate with the right employer. Section 6. Your comeback story. Advice for a safer journey. Failing a drug test is a bump in the road, a detour, not a dead end. It's an opportunity to reassess, rebuild, and come back stronger. Your story, though it includes a setback, is ultimately about resilience, redemption, and a renewed commitment to safety. Remember these key takeaways. Honesty is crucial throughout the process. Embrace the DOT's Return to Duty program as a path to redemption, not punishment. Build a strong support system, focus on your health and well-being, and never ever give up on your passion for trucking. The road ahead might be long, but it's paved with opportunities for growth, learning, and self-discovery. You've got this. Get back out there, be safe. Coffee up and hammer down.